Y'all remember the 6.0 that we grabbed from the junkyard? Shorty Doo-Wops. Shorty Doo-Wops 6.0, the reman. Well, we got to get this thing clean. We figured out that it's been a reman. We figured out that it's got oversized pistons. We figured out that them cam bearings are brand new looking. And we went through the comments and said, hey, what head should I use? 706, 799. So the people spoke. We going with the 799. Going with the 799. So, as you can see, they're not mounted. They are not mounted. We're going to mount them on. But as of right now, we need to clean this up. What other product to use to clean it up than my favorite? They always looking out. Super clean for the win. We're going to use this on this 6.0 here. As y'all can see, she's pretty nasty. She's pretty nasty. But, you know, hey, I probably should have done this before I put the new oil pump on, before I put the oil pan on, all that good stuff. But hey, man, we're going to use it. We're going to get it clean with this super clean. Easy peasy. Look at this. It says it dissolves it, right? It says it dissolves it, right? And that's what we need. Something to dissolve this grit and grime on this engine. I need to cover that up. Look at it. Y'all see it? You see it? See it running down? Taking it off already. Taking it off already. Look at that. Yes, sir. And that's just from spraying it with this. So, let me go ahead and put that block off on. Man, this stuff is working its magic. Look at that. I hate to do this to a brand new oil pump, but guess what? Oil pan. We're just going to have to sacrifice her. We'll sacrifice this oil pan for the sake of to let y'all know how well this stuff works. Crazy, huh? Crazy. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to soak the heads in this stuff. Oh, speaking of, we got a broken bolt here, broken bolt there, so we got to get that out. Got to get that out. But anyway, $7.99 on the 6.0 for Shorty Doo-Wop. Man, but we got to get it clean. Got to get it clean. This stuff is working the magic. And it's got build up on it. It's got build up on it, y'all. It's got that build up on it. We'll let that sit. Come back through. Hose it down. Hose it down with a little H2O. Then we'll probably have to hit her again, but I'm gonna definitely take the heads off and let it sit. Yeah, man. I'm already liking the way it's looking. Already liking the way it's looking. I'm not sure what color we're going to paint it, but we're going to paint it. We're going to paint it. Yes, sir. Soak it up. Soak it up. Let me wire wheel it a little bit. Might need that too. I don't know. And look at all the grime it's taking off this engine. Look at this. Huh? Wow. Doing its thing, y'all. Super clean degreaser. I probably should have some gloves on, y'all. Super clean degreaser. Hey, man. Need to clean y'all's engines. Need to get the grease off of a surface that is very greasy. Try you some of this super clean. Dissolves grease. And it's biodegradable. You see that? Biodegradable detergent. So You're not hurting the earth, Mother Earth, while using this product. Huh? Not hurting Mother Earth while using this product. All right. Quite a bit of build up there. Might have to let that set a little bit right in there, but I'm gonna see if I can get some sprayer all off with. And super clean, super fast, tough task, cleaner and degreaser. Super clean, comes through in a clutch. Clean these nasty junkyard engines. Let's get it, baby. I say she got it clean. I say she cleaned up that surface. One thing you do want to realize that it will discolor your aluminum, so be aware of that. But hey, this part of the engine I say is clean enough for it to take paint and hold paint. So that's where we at next. The next step is paint. Bolt the heads on, head gaskets, bolts, all that good stuff. And I would say test fit, but we don't need a test fit. We know how it's going to fit. So once we stick it in, it's going to be put in for good. For good. $7.99, 6.0, board 20 over. Let's get it.